Life is not for enjoyment. To find out the secret of true of life. Yes, my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am sharing about something for life. Real people are really hard to find in this world. Life is nothing but creating moments of laughter with others. Everyone joins your journey, but some earlier, some later. Every man is in trouble, but like grass wet with the morning dew, hides his tears with a smile. Since the beginning of the universe, the sun in the blue sky has been focusing on you for infinity and eternity. Who has no feeling, no change, no reaction, but eternal and eternal. You cry again and again, but there is no feeling anywhere, no sound, no one. One day you will sleep forever. You cry, laughter will stop. The universe will hold your history. Yes, you are a history, you are great, and you are a part of the universe. The universe will miss you. The universe will place a new one in your place, who will stand in your place. Just as the golden dawn of the morning spreads white and soft light, we should aim to build a white and beautiful character. Lies, anger, violence, and pride should be trampled and moved forward in search of beauty and truth. Just as the golden dawn of the morning spreads white and soft light, we should aim to build a white and beautiful character. Viewers, just as the light of day gives light to us, so we should spread light in this way for human welfare. Only then will our human life be worthwhile. Thanks for taking time to watch the video. Dear friends, see you again. Stay well. Goodbye.